Hey, it's Mark Zimmerman. Hope you're having a great day today and a great week. I know we normally talk about residential real estate investing, um, the ins and outs of that, why you might want to look into investing short term or long term in real estate. Um, Great topic, all about it. However, I also like to sometimes share stories or concepts or ideas that I've heard of, or maybe I came up with myself. Uh, that illustrate some interesting things about investing in general. So I want to tell a little story or hit you up a little concept that I first heard of about 15, 20 years ago. It's always stuck with me. You might have heard this little quandary, this little challenge, this little ditty, but I think it really illustrates the power of money um, increasing over time. You can look at it as compounding interest, but in this case, it's more about doubling. What happens to money as it doubles, and how quickly can it grow if it doubles, especially over a short amount of time with a lot of doubling. So here's the deal. I might have given away too much to where you answer differently, but I'm going to put my whiteboard right here, and I'm going to do a little illustration while I'm talking because I think it's kind of fun. And that is, I'm going to give you two choices. And this is all just in fun, so don't hit me up for an actual check or something, but just for fun, hypothetically speaking, today, right? Today, I could give you $2 million. All right? Today. Now, I understand there's cost of funds and what's money worth today versus in the future. And there's all those other things to consider, but it's just a very simple concept. I can give you $2 million today, or in 30 days, starting now, today, all right, I'll give you a penny. However, that penny is going to double. Ooh, double every day, right? My chicken scratch here. Every day for 30 days. And you can have that amount. So bottom boils down really to this. $2 million today, or I'll give you a penny today, but it's going to double every day for 30 days. Means it's a penny today, it's 2 cents tomorrow, it's 4 cents a day after that, it's 8 cents a day after that, it's 16 cents a day after that. I'm not going to keep going. What do you think? What do you think is a better way to go? Again, not taking account what something's worth today versus in 30 days, yada, yada, yada. So what would you do? $2 million today, or a penny today, doubling every day for the next 30 days? What do you think's better? Well, as I probably alluded to at the beginning of this video, what you probably already caught on to if you didn't already hear the story is a penny today doubling every day for 30 days, interestingly enough, works out to be a little over, or almost, let's call it, $5.4 million. $5,368,709.12 to be exact. Is that not crazy? So a penny doubling every day for 30 days is worth $5,368,709. Now, here's a really crazy part that I always thought was kind of interesting when I had heard this exercise and then heard it again. You actually don't get over that $2 million, that $2 million I was going to give you today. You actually don't get over that amount until day 29. In fact, day 28, you're at a little over 1.3 million, and then you double that, right? So now you're a little over 2.6 million. So day 29 is that first day you're over the 2 million. And then day 30, you double that 2.6 again. And that's where we get the 5,368,000. So just an interesting concept, something to think about, something to stump your kids with. I just thought I'd share it because, I don't know, I've always thought that was an interesting concept. And the knee-jerk reaction is, well, I'll certainly take $2 million today. $2 million today would be great. Maybe 5.4 million in 30 days would be a better way to go. Well, thanks for listening. Hope this was fun and an interesting topic. And as I always say, I wish you well on your investment journey, especially in residential real estate. I'm always here if you have questions or comments or anything. because as Robert Ingersoll says, I think it's we rise by lifting others, right? We're all in this together. So go out and make it happen. Mark Zimmerman, I'm out. Thanks for watching, everyone. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe below.